Students, how are you? Hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today we will read articles. The words a or an and the are called articles. Articles come before nouns such as there is a book on the table. Article a comes before the noun book. Articles the comes before the noun table. So, we use articles to point out nouns. There are two articles, a or an and the. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 are vowels. All letters other than vowels are called consonants. So, A, E, I, O, U, these 5 are vowels. All letters other than vowels are called consonants. A or an means ekti. A or an used to introduce a singular noun. A used before a word that begins with a consonant. A used before a word that begins with a consonant, such as a ball, a cat. We use a before a word that begins consonant B. Consonant C. A dog, a frog. So we use a before the word begins with consonant D, consonant F. A hen, a jug. So consonant H and consonant G. So we use a. A kite, a lion, a monkey, a pen, a rat, a sunflower, a tree, a van, a watch, a yak. So, we used a before a word that begins with consonant. A zebra. So now let's see an. An used before a word that begins with a vowel sound. We have already learned the vowels. It is A, E, I, O, U. So an used before the word that begins with the vowel sound A, E, I, O, U, such as an ass, vowel sound A, so we use an egg, vowel sound E, so we use article an ink pot, the word starts with the vowel sound I, so we use article an orange, the word starts with the vowel sound O, so we use article an umbrella, the word umbrella starts with the vowel sound U, so we use an. So, articles a or an used to introduce a singular noun. isn't it? Such as I have a book. A introduce a singular noun book. She ate an apple. So and points out the singular noun apple. So use a or and to points out a singular noun. So what we have to remember? A used before a word that begins with a consonant. And used before a word that begins with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. I hope you have understood very well. Now do the exercise. Fill in the blanks with a or an. I ate dash mango. She has dash umbrella. Tina saw dash ew. Ronnie reads dash book. Thank you students. Today up to this.